Get ready for perfect nugget ice anytime with the GE Profile Opal 2.0. Smart, sleek, and fast, this countertop ice maker turns water into soft, chewable ice in minutes. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Opal Ice Maker, side tank clip, drip tray, ice scoop, ice bin and mesh screen, display panel, power button, light button, clean button, filter button, sanitize button, descale, defrosting, indicator lights button, Wi-Fi button, how to use. Place it on a flat surface and fill the water reservoir with filtered or tap water. Plug it in, press the power button, and it's ready to start making soft, chewable nugget ice in minutes. Maintenance. Unplug your Opal 2.0 and wipe the exterior with a damp, soapy cloth. Then dry it. Remove the ice bin and drip tray. Clean and rinse them and dry them. Wipe the water reservoir with plain water, no soap. Regular cleaning keeps your nugget ice fresh and the unit performing at its best. Remove the water filter, drain the unit, and fill the reservoir with vinegar or the Opal cleaning kit. Run the cleaning cycle up to 3 times, soak 18 hours, then rinse and run twice. To sanitize, add 1 teaspoon of bleach. Run the cycle, rinse, reattach hoses, refill, and resume ice production. Adjust frequency based on water hardness, and sanitize weekly if using tap water. Smart features? Eliminate the need for an outside water source with an attached water supply for ice, which allows you to produce up to 3 times more ice and easily detaches for cleanup. Innovative design avoids clumping and leaks by recirculating ice melt to the water reservoir. You'll always have fresh ice on hand thanks to a smart automatic ice maker that refills when your ice is running low. Enjoy crisp, clean ice thanks to a cutting-edge ice filtration system available for the lower water reservoir and compatible with the filter. Precision control is available at the touch of a screen thanks to an intuitive LED screen that illuminates when being used and darkens when at rest. Skip the scrubbing thanks to an advanced cleaning system that helps sanitize and descale when used regularly, keeping ice tasting fresh and machine performance at its best. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly checking your ice supply. With the Opal Nugget Ice Maker, your ice bin fills up all the way automatically and without any monitoring. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. See you in the next one.